How to report Backdoor Roth in TurboTax. Hi everyone, in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to report Backdoor Roth in TurboTax. In order to report Backdoor Roth in TurboTax, you have to follow the steps. Now, reporting a Backdoor Roth IRA contribution in TurboTax involves several steps. Here is a general guide on how you do it. So first thing, you can go ahead and access your TurboTax accounting and log in into your TurboTax account or create one if you don't have. If you haven't already started a tax return for current tax year, you need to do so. So for that, look for an option to start new tax return or continue with your existing return. So once in your tax return, navigate to the federal tax section, and after that you can look for the section related to deduction and credits. This is where you'll report your IRA contribution within the deduction and credits section. Then you can go and find the subsection related to IRA contribution, where you'll have to enter in the Backdoor Roth IRA contribution as well. Now you can go and report your Roth conversion amount. After that, you can review and file your return. Once you've returned all relevant information, review your tax return for accuracy and make sure to keep the record of your Backdoor Roth IRA contribution and conversion for your own record for potential future reference. So that's basically how you can report Backdoor Roth in TurboTax. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.